Hello friends, welcome to my channel CS Learning. Today we are going to see in our Python series that how to implement if-else along with some other calculations. So we will going to see it with the code. So let's see, the question is given over here. Accept the following from user and calculate percentage of class attendance. Is class attendance. Okay. Total number of working days and total number of absent. Total number of days of absent. These two we have to take as an input, that is written here, accept the following from the user. So these two are the followings. We have to take this as an input and then we have to calculate the percentage. Now if the percentage is less than 75, then the student will not be able to give the exam or sit for the exam. Okay, so this we have to implement with the if else condition in Python. So let's see over here. Okay, already the code I have written here. See, ND is for number of working days and NA is for number of absent, total number of absent. Now we are here calculating the percentage of total number of days present. Okay, so percentage we are calculating by ND minus NA divided by ND into 100. This is the percentage. For percentage we are multiplying it with 100. Now we are printing the percentage. Next we are having the print statement and printing the percentage. Now we are implementing the if condition over here and checking is the percentage is less than 75 or not. If the percentage is less than 75, then printing that you are not eligible for exam, else you are eligible for exam. So this is for this code. Now let's run the code and see. So suppose I am giving total number of days 248 and absent is 20. Now you can see the percentage of your attendance has been came 91.9 and you are eligible for written exam or writing the exam. So this is how it works. I hope it is helpful for you to understand how this if else is working along with the condition. Here we are implementing the condition and in the else part no need to give any condition. Else part will run without any condition in Python. So this is it for today. I hope this is helpful for you. Again we will meet in the next video.